In this tutorial you will learn how to fix video driver crashed and was reset on Windows 11 and Windows 10.
First, open your Start menu and type Device Manager. Open your Device Manager. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your display adapter. Select Properties. Go to the Driver tab. Click on Update Driver. Click on Search automatically for driver software. Wait for the update to be installed. You can also click on Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. If you already have GeForce Experience installed, first open Start and type Notepad. Open Notepad. Now copy and paste the text that you'll find in the description of this video. Click on File. Click on Save As. In Save As type, select All Files. In File Name type, FIX.REG. Press Save. Close your Notepad. Double-click your REG file. Press Yes. Press OK. Now launch your game. If you want to undo the changes, first open Start and type regedit. Open regedit. Press Yes. Expand H-key local machine. Expand System. Expand Current Control Set. Expand Control. Select Graphics Drivers. Select TORDELAY. Right-click it and select Delete. Press Yes. Restart to apply the changes.